Hello and welcome to our kitchen Siamdan. Today we are going to make Korean side dish kimchi and also roasted meat with mixed vegetable and oyster sauce. So here we go. I have napa cabbage and this is 3 cases. Let's remove the outer layers. And here if you don't have napa cabbage, you can also use normal cabbage. Yam tia chi ko pi ho hi nei lo wa jong la ku pi lum lo man the hi. Wash them nicely, drain off the water. And today the Korean kimchi, we will make twist the recipe to give the Northeast Indian flavor. For that we will use fermented fish and king chili, that's a ghost pepper. Now add salt into it in between the leaves to remove the water from the cabbage. And keep it for 2 to 3 hours. Here, let's make the kimchi paste. 1.5 liter water, 2 tablespoons rice flour. Mix it nicely to avoid lumps. And here today, as we are making the kimchi to give Northeast Indian flavor, we will not add brown sugar into it. But if you are making authentic, then here at this time you have to put brown sugar. Just mix nicely and let it cool down. Here are the vegetables: spring onion, carrot and radish. Carrot and radish cut into matchstick size. And a spring onion, let's cut into 1.5 inch. Alright guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel as I'm coming up with more unique recipes. Do not forget to press the notification bell icon. Quay dòng lại subscribe bọn này lâu rồi xin lòng lớn xếp đã subscribe như là bọn bị liên khen thêm moment. Tôi ngari na go ahead din. So this is the fermented fish which we will be using in our mixture to give the Northeast Indian flavor. Alright. Also here we have a ghost pepper. This is one of the hottest chilies in the world. We'll use 2 ghost pepper. Cut onion in pieces. We'll use ginger, like this, 100 grams. 6 to 7 cloves of garlic. And roasted fermented fish. Remove the bones as it is bitter. Apa mo akain ano daw sa pagod. Tad sinapay didio aban la azawa mixture was in haldi ahead. Now let's get a smooth paste of all this mixture. So as I said before, we twist the Korean kimchi to give the Northeast Indian flavor, which is also known as 7 sister states. So we love to have umami flavor, spicy. So now check the consistency of the mixture and add 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, salt into it. Here we use oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons. You can also use fish sauce. And the fermented fish mixture with ghost pepper. So this will give punch to our kimchi and which will make it delicious. And this is my personal favorite kimchi. So mix them properly. So add the cut vegetables, coat them properly. hoisin vegetable hoisin mix and a ball cake 19. So if you are making authentic Korean kimchi, here you can also add pears in it, or you can also add fruit like apples. You can cut like a matchstick. You can mix them in this space. So let's do the layering and coating the napa cabbage, layer by layer. Ikikaalawsin hoitin ana koyotin ana nu tuot sa noitin. Make sure you give a nice coating on each layer of the cabbage. Roll it tight and keep in an airtight container. And now it's ready for fermentation. So you can ferment it at room temperature for about 2 days. And after 2 days, you can keep in a fridge and you can use for up to 3 months. Whenever you feel like having kimchi, just take it from the fridge and you can have it anytime. So here we go. This is ready to go for our fermentation. Alright, now let's start cooking our next dish. Roasted meat with mixed vegetable in oyster sauce. Here we have garlic, onion, chopped parsley, mushroom, carrot, onion, bell pepper, and broccoli. So we also have here roasted meat, which I have already roasted before. And let's cut it into a slice, thin slice. So this is enough. It's about 300 grams. And it's already cooked. You can just have it this way. Here we go. Fire on the pan. Oil added. Add onion, garlic. Add the sliced meat, sliced roasted meat, and cook for a while. Add chopped parsley. Add black pepper powder. Just stir it. Add salt to taste. And now let's add one of my favorite king chili ghost pepper. Add mushroom and carrot as they take some time to cook. And now add broccoli and mix them nicely. Add onion, add the bell pepper, mix them nicely. Add vinegar, 1 tablespoon, soy sauce, 2 tablespoons, now add oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon, make sure all the ingredients coated with sauce. Now add 1 cup of water. Cook for about 3 minutes in boiling water. Now add corn flour slurry into it to make a gravy thick. Well, now it's done. Yeah, it smells good and I'm hungry to taste it now. Now let's do plating. Here we have steamed rice, and also on the side we have kimchi, fresh kimchi, and our roasted meat with mixed vegetable. Garnish with some roasted sesame seed to give nutty flavor, also with some spring onion chop. So now the best part of cooking is food tasting. So let me try it now. And gravy with mushroom, 1 minute piece. and Northeast Indian flavor kimchi. Let's test now, guys. Wow, it's really tastes good. Trust me, guys, really tastes good. Amazing. Okay. Alright, guys, it's already 2 days, and our fermented kimchi turns out really good and beautiful, and it really smells good, so good that aromas from my home base. Okay, guys, it also tastes really wonderful, really great taste. So, guys, if you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. You have a